Hey plenty friends, welcome back to another new video. As y'all can see, usually I say like as y'all can see what's out of this video. Today, I don't know what I'm doing because honestly today I was supposed to film and upload a video of doing some houseplant chores. The video came out really bad and I'm a little bit upset at myself, like very upset at myself, but it's okay. It's like 9 in the night right now. I still got time. I'm gonna go and rearrange some plants with y'all. Let me just flip the camera and show you guys what I'm talking about. Alrighty, so basically, the video was supposed to be like doing some houseplant chores, so I'm already like halfway done, kind of. But I'm gonna place all of these plants on this table. I'm gonna rearrange this lights on top, like a little bit more in the middle, and make it more flat. And I'm gonna place all of my Hoyas on this table because that's one thing about these plants. Like my Hoyas just don't grow as much unless I have a really good grow light. And this one made a lot of my Hoyas that were under it doing really good. Like they were putting out growth, like just putting out growth, which honestly, where they're at right now and with the lights that they have on some of them, they're not doing good at all. Maybe they're acclimating, but it's already been like a month. So not the new ones from planting right now, some other Hoyas that I have. But yes, I'm gonna go and place them in this table, in the white table. And yeah, that's basically it. I just want to give you guys some houseplants updates, like a little bit of it, because we just got a new leaf on this Thai constellation. Literally, I'm so happy. It's beautiful. And I was also debating where am I gonna place this, because you know she's kind of tall, and if I place the grow light, and I want her to be on this grow light because it's just a really good grow light, and I can't place it over here because I might have this pretty low for the Hoyas. Not that low, but low enough that it's gonna get in the way with the tie. But I think it's perfect where it's at. So it's getting a little bit of these grow lights that I have and a little bit of this one as well. So yes, I guess usually I do like time lapse, but I think I might just not do a time lapse. Alright, I finally got the angle. I was struggling so much like where to place the phone. But like I said, I'm gonna just do like a little chit chats and rearranging of these plants. Here's a leftover water that I have for the moss balls and my little moisture meter. I'm not gonna place it on the ground because if I place it on the ground, it's gonna stay there forever. I'm gonna just do my best to stay a little bit more organized. Here is my pine sol. I love cleaning with pine sol because I like the smell of it and it disinfects. So yes. So this tie is gonna stay over here. Can y'all see this right? The tie is gonna stay over here, and then I have this other grow light which can go over here. And yes, here's my. This is not a watering video. I'm gonna water behind the cameras, but this one does need water. And here is my other one. I have 2 of them, and also actually I'm debating on placing them in a pot together to make it easier on watering. I also have this beautiful one, which it was from Wild Interiors. I got like a while back because of where's the leaf. I don't know if you guys can see this leaf, but it's like variegated. But on the new ones, it's not doing that. So I don't know. It's a really pretty one. It looks very similar to this other philodendron that I have, but it actually grew really good. It has a little baby coming in as well. Sorry about the backlit. Hold on, let me move it just face. Oh my god, it looks so ugly. Hold on. Okay, that's not doing good enough. It's better. A little bit, right? Okay, but here's a little baby plant that's coming in. Super duper cute. I swear like I saw irrigation on this plant. Maybe it's just like, I don't even know. Like, can you see the little irrigation? It's not a disease. Anywho, she's doing really good. She's putting out nice, this is one of her newest leaves, and she's starting to put out another one. This little guy over here. But yes, my place over here is also like really due for a repotting. And since I have these grow lights, but I'm not gonna open my blinds, which is perfectly fine. I don't really mind at all. Here's my orchid, which is gonna stay with the Hoyas on the table, because also like as I can see, it's facing. It was the window was over here, so it was like following the lights. But yes, it's gonna place it. This is my boyfriend's plant, and I don't know if I'm gonna move it to my saucers. And then we have this one. I think it's called a philodendron horsehead. Cute, right? This was from a trade. I gave the guy a Burley Marks variegated philodendron, and he gave me this one, which has 2 plants. I'm pretty sure it's a philodendron horsehead. Super cute, super healthy. I'm gonna place it over here. And then, my Tiniki, which honestly wasn't doing that good, and so I placed it in that grow light, and here's a new leaf. I don't know, you guys, like I want to move it. A lot of the plants were doing so good, and that grow light on the ceiling, and then there's a new leaf coming in. Like my that goes, so you know, but I got experiments on this grow light that I just bought. I got it from Amazon. It was like 40 something. It's gonna stay right there. Someone's car went off. And here's a peace lily. See, you know, this was a plant that I got from Plantarina. Oh my god. It was only a 4-inch pot, and I got it last year. I think almost 2 years ago. And I still have it. It wasn't a 4-inch pot. We potted it in a 6-inch pot a while back. And now it's due for another repotting because I can see the roots coming in the bottom now, and it dries up like crazy. So what I do now, I always bottom water this plant because I noticed that bottom watering lasts a lot longer than top watering, because when you bottom water, the soil also gets water. It just gets completely saturated. So yes, and it's blooming now. I am fertilizing my plants whenever I do water them. I do dilute it a lot, but I always fertilize them. It has like a lot of new leaves coming in. I'm just so proud of this piece of leaf. I ended up getting another one from River Gardens. It got a pest. It was just so odd and weird. It had it was like a bunch of eggs. It was just so nasty. But look at these new leaves coming in. So this is a one that unfurled, and then this guy from the same leaf is putting out this completely white leaf. I'm super excited to find out how it's gonna turn out. But it's really beautiful. And yeah, like, I don't know. It's gorgeous. I really do love this plant a lot. Very easy, which is why it's still alive. Okay, gonna place it over here, and we're getting pretty tall. Okay, I also have my black dragon Sansevieria, which hasn't been repotted for a while. Here it is. I had it placed in a very dark spot, which is why it was turning green. All the new leaves were just becoming green, and they don't revert back to like, they don't turn back to like the dark color, the iconic dark foliage, which is called the black Sansevieria. Oh my god. Black dragon Sansevieria. But I'll see. So I'm giving it more light, and I'm hoping that I can just do a little bit better. Next up, we have a look at this begonia. We're just gonna stay over here because, like, again, this was like the best light, and I don't want to move his plants. They're gonna stay on the table. I also have this one, my variegated Burley Marks variegated philodendron, putting out this beautiful new leaf, which was reverting back on me, but I ended up chopping it, and now it's putting out its beautiful variegation. Such a beautiful plant. It's kind of dry as well. Here's a very old leaf. It's turning yellow. Thank you for doing your part. Just whenever I touch my plants, I always like check for any pests. Oh, I'm gonna look at this new leaf. And also for the variegation. It's like a fun little surprise. Looking cute. Okay, I might move some things around. So I'm gonna move this guy back on. This is gonna be placed here. I will give you guys some close-ups on how it's looking. Okay. And I have more space. I was also debating on placing my moss poles in the table because actually this one's doing more poles, so right there. This is my Syngonium. That was a shingle plant from the Trending August collection. And this is my Syngonium Batik. I'm trying it to climb up, but I don't know, it looks really cute. Like, it's looking great. Gonna place him in the back. Oof. Okay. And then I have some other plants that I got. Here is my skeleton key. These moss balls are pretty dry. I gotta go and water them as well. Training it to climb on the pole. Exciting, exciting. And then, what else do we have? Anything on the back too? Well, another plant. Trying to keep the plants on front that need the most water. For example, this one doesn't really need to be misted, the moss pole, because it's still, you know, putting out new leaves. And it's not long enough to be on the moss pole, which I kind of regret for like, oh, I was shedding some, spawning the moss. I kind of regret placing this plant in here. I do want it to be in a moss pole, but it was too soon, but it's fine though. It was 3 plants and I placed it in 1 pot, which is why I'm like okay with it, because watering it was kind of a pain in the booty. But yes, excited for this one. And it's just called the Dragon Tail. This will go to the back because it doesn't need that much water. Because somebody said like sphagnum moss shed, and they really do. It's one of my favorite pots. I got it from the 99-cent store. I think it was like $2.99. Here's my Addisonii. I'm so sorry for the lighting, you guys. Usually like this light, I'm always like standing over here, and this is what gives like really good natural light. Gonna place it right there, and then my last Addisonii. Still too young, but it's okay though. It is putting out new leaves. You can see like the little air roots. Excited for that. Yay! It's looking a lot better. Okay, I have my Mostarda Peru, which honestly is gonna stay on this table because the Mostarda Peru is pretty slow, and with this grow lights, it does pretty good. I have this bird's nest fern, which I keep neglecting it. It's called the Victoria bird's nest fern. Super cute when it's healthy. And I place it on the front because it's gonna remind me to keep watering it. Okay. Oh, I had like a little trash can. I was hoping a lot to like keep the stuff clean, like the tables. I'm gonna use a saucer as a little trash can for now. And then what else do we got? We have and that's basically it. These are other plants that I want to stay. I wanted to stay on this table. I'm gonna go and clean it. I'm gonna go ahead and clean the table off the camera and then give you guys an update on the table, and also like me fixing this light, because as I can see, it is not in the middle. It's like tilted. So I'm gonna go ahead and fix it for y'all. Alrighty guys, so this is how it looks now. Honestly, I'm in love with, perdón. I hit the saucer. Oh, little dry leaf. My little trash can for the moment. I love how this looks with the moss. It's just the grain, the moss poles. It's the vibe. Beautiful. So pretty. And here is how I set it up. I feel like it's wasting light, but it's fine though. My boyfriend said it's covering the entire table, which is the most important part. The tire is getting pretty good lights as well. And you're so pretty. And yeah, now I'm gonna start filling up with plants and Hoyas. So let's go do a time lapse. It is done. Honestly, it is very crowded and crazy, but I want to take advantage of every single grow light, and these are supposed to be facing out like that. I was doing it because I was using it for the video, but they can go back how they were. It's literally crazy. I will be checking these almost daily And a lot of these are very like, you know, they don't need to be watered all the time. I know, it looks very compact and crazy and just insane. Like I said, this is a really good grow light and I'm pretty sure they would appreciate it. The fan is off for the video, but I always have the fan on high to get good air circulation in all of these plants. But yeah, I hope they would grow and be super duper happy with this grow light. This grow light is on for 14 hours or 12 hours. But yeah, then here is the other table. I'm just obsessed. I just love the way it looks. But yep. Alrighty guys, so that is basically it for today. If you enjoyed it, please give it a big thumbs up to let me know. Sending positive vibes to each and every single one of you guys, and I'll see y'all in the next one. Bye!